Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common station and dock maintenance for the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Starting with the very top of the station, you can open up the lid to reveal our dirty and clean water tanks. With those tanks removed, just keep an eye in here on the 3 water inlets right there. And then down at the bottom, I believe we have a built-in drain right there, so make sure that's free from any obstructions as well. And you can wipe down in here. Moving along to the water tanks themselves, for the clean water tank, every once in a while, if you think about it, you could rinse and clean this out, give it a little bit of a deeper clean, but it only has fresh water in it, so there's really not much to do there. But for the dirty water tank, it's in your best interest to clean this out after every use to prevent any odor buildup or more grime and dirt and dust really settling and embedding down at the bottom. I always like to put a little bit of mouthwash in here. That will help keep those odors at bay. If you do want to go longer to wait to empty this until it's full, it's a nice little solution. Moving along with the station, further down at the center here, we have a lid that you just pull out towards yourself to remove. That's going to reveal 2 key compartments. The first one's going to be your solution tank. Very easy to clean and maintain this. Just fill up the solution once it runs out, and you can wipe down in there if needed. And then the second compartment's your vacuum bag, so you can dispose of the old ones and then install the new ones right here. And on the inside, can of compressed air be your best friend just to clean out any dust that might start to accumulate, and then you just pop the bag right back in. And then looking at the bottom of our dock here, this is where all the magic happens. Self-empty chutes here, so make sure they're free from any obstructions. Charging contacts, wipe those down, same with the sensor there. And then we have a removable washable tray, so you can wash and rinse this out. Any larger debris should collect right here on the tray. And if for some reason this starts to get dirty, you can just get like a Clorox wipe and just gently wipe that down. Same with the ramp here. So that's it. Very simple and straightforward to take care of your Mova P10 station. It really does all the work and heavy lifting for you.